Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying the driver and OS details so the report is actionable, why it matters. Developers need exact versions. Once done, gather logs, dmesc, zorg, AMD report output, export them with timestamps. Make a minimal, repeatable test profile and reproduce the bug while recording steps. This first stage prevents wasted back and forth. Make sure to label files clearly. Include hardware ID and any custom kernels or patches, because those influence debugging paths and accelerate fixes. Next, you dive into diagnostics. Enable verbose AMD report logging so stack traces and telemetry are captured. This shows the how and why of failures. Then run reproducible scripts while collecting perf samples and GPU telemetry. Correlate timestamps across logs. Once done, isolate variables by testing stock kernel and fallback driver builds. Disable Secure Boot if it blocks unsigned modules. Make sure to document settings and kernel CMD line flags, because reproducible isolation. Finally, package everything: logs, reproducer, hardware ID, and clear step-by-step reproduction in one archive. This removes friction for maintainers. When you submit, state expected behavior versus actual, include priority and any temporary workarounds. Once submitted, monitor responses and promptly provide requested artifacts. If progress stalls, retry with updated logs, test suggested patches, and attempt a git bisect to find the regression commit. One key tip: if builds fail, reproduce on clean install to rule out local config issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.